Hi, I'm Miss Harris.
And I'm Dr. Bork.
And we teach Honors Biology!
You should consider Honors Biology if you have an A or a B in Honors Chemistry or an A in Chemistry currently. Honors Biology is a college prep course, so it's fast-paced, there's a strong emphasis on content, and there's an expectation that you're responsible for your own learning. Also, there are no test retakes, and there's an EOC at the end of the year. So what goes on in Honors Biology? Well, biology is the study of life. So we begin by studying what defines something that's living versus something that's not living. We also discuss how life started on Earth. And finally, we discuss how scientists classify life. The next unit is ecology. Ecology is the study of how living things interact with each other and with their environment. The unit following, we're going to zoom way in and look at the molecules that make up living things. It's our biochemistry unit, and it will definitely be a throwback to your chemistry days. The next couple units we'll spend inside the cell. The first of which we'll just discuss generally the different kinds of cells that are out there and what they're made up of, what the organelles are inside, and how they function to help the cell do its job. In the second semester, we'll begin with an in-depth study of the processes that cells use to create and use energy. Those processes, I'm sure you've heard of, are called cellular respiration and photosynthesis. Ultimately, we'll begin to understand how cells actually reproduce to make more cells. Our final units are going to explore genetic information. So we'll go inside the cell's nucleus and study the DNA within the cell. We'll understand how traits are passed down from parents to children. We'll understand how DNA and genetic information can be replicated in your cells and how your cells use that information. We'll also look at what happens when mistakes are made in your genetic code, and that usually causes things like diseases or disorders. We'll finish the year on a unit on evolution. We'll use this unit to bookend the entire year. We'll talk about how everything we've discussed throughout the year, including the origins of life, ecology, biochemistry, the cell, and DNA and genetics, all connects to this theory of evolution. We'll discuss how all living things are connected and how we got to where we are today.
Think you've got what it takes to handle Honors Biology? Come join us and get a kick out of life.
Yeah!